Want a faster way to search your favorite websites without opening them first? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use search shortcuts in Brave browser. Search shortcuts let you search supported websites directly from the address bar. For example, instead of opening YouTube and using its search box, you can simply type a shortcut followed by your search term, and Brave will take you directly to the search results. Let's start by looking at where these shortcuts are managed. Click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of Brave browser, then select Settings. In the menu on the left, click Search Engine, then scroll down and click Manage Search Engines and Site Search. On this page, you'll notice several different sections. One of them is called Inactive Shortcuts. This is where Brave stores search shortcuts that it has automatically discovered while you browse the web. For example, if you visit a website like YouTube, IMDb, Wikipedia, GitHub, or Amazon, and perform a search using that website's search box, Brave may automatically detect that the site supports searching and add it to the inactive shortcuts list. Keep in mind that a brand new Brave profile may not have any inactive shortcuts yet. That's completely normal because Brave hasn't had a chance to learn any searchable websites. Once you see an inactive shortcut, click the Activate button next to it. The shortcut will move from the Inactive Shortcuts section into the Site Search section where you can start using it. You can also edit the shortcut if you'd like. For example, Brave might create a keyword like youtube.com, but you can change it to something much shorter, such as YT. Short keywords are usually easier and faster to remember. Now let's see how it works. After activating and editing the shortcut, click Edit, change the keyword if needed, then click Save. Next, click the address bar and type your shortcut followed by a space and your search term. For example, if your shortcut is YT, you could type YT Cats. Instead of performing a regular web search, Brave will search YouTube directly and open the results page. Besides automatically detected shortcuts, you can also create your own manually. In the Site Search section, click Add. First, choose a name for the search engine and a shortcut keyword. Then open the website you want to search and perform a normal search for any word such as dog. After the results page loads, look at the URL in the address bar. You will usually see the word dog somewhere in the search address. Replace that search term with %s, because %s tells Brave where to insert whatever you type later. After that, save the shortcut. From now on, you can type your shortcut in the address bar followed by a search term, and Brave will send that search directly to the website. Search shortcuts are a simple feature, but they can save a surprising amount of time if you regularly search the same websites. If you want, you can go back into the search engine settings later and clean up your shortcuts, rename them, or add more for the websites you use most often. A few minutes of setup can save you a lot of time every day. If this video helped, feel free to leave a like and subscribe for more Brave browser tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.